serve the face. I serve the face, I serve the face.
You a fucking rich nigga for the fame, won't you? You would get that pussy up to a lane, won't you? Like an old school, I redid the frame on you. I got my old shooters with me and they land on you. Word to them niggas at the 6. A whole lot of lean, my nutrition. They should've told you I had them drink on me. They should've told you I brung a bank with me. They should've told you I keep that Molly on me. They should've told you I got that stick with me. You the one who ducking from a drive-by. My niggas unemployed selling Popeyes. I serve the base, I serve the base. I serve the base, I serve the base. I keep a shooter with me like Malone. I fuck around and did it on my own. Coming forward with me, baby, I'm a franchise. Molly in them Zans got me aggravated. The hundreds and the 50s got them separated. Put the hundreds in them hundreds, man, we segregated. They try to take the soul out me. They try to take my confidence, and they know I'm cocky. Fuck another interview, I'm done with it. I don't give a fuck about the hoe, I let young hit it. I play the games of the thrones with you. I can't change, I was God-given. Try to make me a pop star, and they made a monster. I'm posted with my niggas, letting the champagne flow. A nigga was depressed, now my mind back home. I'm product of the roaches in them ashtrays. I inhale the love on a bad day. Baptized inside purple activists. They should've told you I was on the pill. They should've told you I was on the lyric.